Firstly, sabi ko nga, asan yung mabigat? Akala ko yung mabigat. But definitely, knowing what's in here, mas mabigat to than yung laki na ibibigay ng CFC because this comes from you guys and this is highly personal. So I really, really, really cherish and appreciate this. Salamat, salamat, salamat. Just a couple of things. One, salamat for the kind words. May motto ako na I've always kept meron tayong mga taong niro-role model or hinahangaan sa community or anywhere, especially sa community. But sana yung tao is bound to disappoint you. So you might see the good in me, but definitely you'll see the bad in me on my bad days. Baka hindi nyo ako nakita ng nagalit. Pag nagalit ako, baka ma-disappoint kayo. So hopefully not, no? Hopefully not. Walang taong perfecto. And I really appreciate yung good things that you said about me. Tao ko, no? So I hope that yung pagiging solid natin sa soul is not based on sa personality ko or sa personality of any person, but rather on relationships natin, relationship natin sa Panginoon. Kasi sabi ko nga, people are bound to disappoint you. Darating at darating, makikita kayo na, ay, ganito pala pong tao. And don't let that break yung spirit of community, spirit of servanthood. Bro Leon, I wish you yung start ng journey mo, you continue on with your journey. Salamat for being a host and sharing your talent this early on in your community life. I wish that you will continue to find yung hinahanap mo spiritually sa servant of the Lord, and I hope that you continue to say yes kung kailan ka man tawagin for service. Si Bro Idel, I've always been impressed kay Bro Idel for his service din, no? I mean, takot si Bro Idel mag-talk, pero nakailang talk na siya.
Wow.
No? Nakailang talk na siya. And si Bro Idel, yung pag tinawag mo kahit anong service, kailangan may maghatid, transpo, walang problema yan. Parating yes yan, kahit malayo sa bahay nila. So I honor you. Si Tito A, of course, Tito A has always been there. Sabi nga since the start, nung una kong na-integrate sa soul. And gaya nung sinabi mo, I always hold on to yung memories na yun. Kasi yun yung household na nag-solidify din eh. First time ko actually mag-handle ng soul. I've always been with my family. So yung una na soul, sabi nga sa wife ko nung una, sabi ko, nag-rosary kami. May mga tattoo yung kasama ko, mga nakasando. Kasi hindi ako sanay eh. Sa CFC, parating di ba? May dress code and stuff. But yun yung first ko, and that household actually, the same impact sa'yo made me realize na this is a service that I'm being called to do, and this is a service that I will definitely grow in. Si Bro Brandy is very committed. Si Bro Brandy, basta nalaman niya na may tao na dumating sa uman na pwedeng imbitahin sa servant of the Lord, hindi niyo mauunahan yan. I dare you na unahan niyo siya, hindi niyo magagawa yun. Parating kukontakin niya, parating niyang ipupush para mag-attend at saka mag-join ng servant. Si Bro Erwin was sent to us recently, and I'm sure kaya lang yung sinabi ni Bro Edo, no, may gift of prophecy siya. No, na I'm sure that he will nourish lahat tayo with his experience sa CFC and his leadership skills, no, being a unit head na sa Manila. So, welcome and salamat to Erwin. Si Bro Gilbert, bunso nga ang tawag nila. I'm so glad really na you said yes sa pag-attend ng CLP. And you continue to attend yung services natin. And you said yes sa share, even sa conference. Hindi lahat umuoo the first time. And alam ko na kinakabahan ka. Just keep saying yes, keep on practicing, and you'll be sharing baka hindi lang sa national conference natin, but sa international conferences. Si Bro Ray, saludo ko sa commitment. No? Ilang beses ka nagsisimba ng Sunday, bro? So, I believe sa'yo. And again, yung service mo sa choir is very much admirable. And yung boses mo, bro, kahit 4 na babae yung kumakanta, mag-isa ka lang, ayaw mo silang i-overpower. No, continue serving, bro. Continue in your journey towards really going back to Him, and inspiring others.
Thank you.
Si Bro Ryan. Bro Ryan,
magaling ang spelling yan.
Bro Ryan, kaya bumalik sa no, very creative, at saka inspiring kang magsalita. I hope you continue to to want to know Him more and to serve Him, kasi I'm pretty sure, bro, that He will use you powerfully as long as you continue your journey. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and seeing your recordings mo in the future. Bro Chris is bago, pero again, I admire you for your dedication, bro. Tawagin ka, on fire sa service. Kailangan nating i-orient si Bro Erwin. Very willing ka, iniwan namin siya sa'yo, and then ginaidan mo siya kung saan yung bagong apartment na tinitingnan natin. So salamat, bro. I hope you continue to grow then dito sa community natin. Just keep saying yes. Si Bro Jerry, yeah, talaga, yung sinabi mo, bro, of being more involved, being willing to say yes sa pag-share, and being there, although silently, no, but you're always there. No? Parati kang nandun pag kinakailangan. Salamat, bro, and I honor you for that. Si Bro Irving, yung thirst niya to look for look for Christ, no? Look for hindi siya mapakali nang hindi siya nagseserbisyo, and sa kanya na nanggaling na initiative to reach out, and luckily nandun tayo to answer yung need niya. Bro Sati, nagkakamali ako sa inyo ni Bro Eric before nung pa si Bro Eric. Hindi, baka magkamali.
Ay, wala mo, Derek. Wala mo, Derek.
Pilipinas na, kaya nga. So, walang gaano, but I got to know na magaling kang magluto. Nakasama kita sa camping, and magaling mag-share si Bro Sati. Definitely look for that opportunity to inspire others and share your story.
May kita na. Share it.
Huwag mo mga ila-line up ninyo. Si Bro Arnold.
What's me, baby?
Very entertaining.
Magyat na group na ako.
Bro Arnold has always been, once a leader, will always be a leader. I'm sure nandyan yan, and at the right time, you will once again take up yung position, bro. Salamat for agreeing to lead yung CNP natin before, no? After na magkausap-usap tayo ni Bro Eden. Si Bro Dodong, yan. Hesitant leader yan. No, I'm actually happy and nakita. I think marami sa atin nakita si Bro Dodong na mag-grow, no? Kasi dati ayaw na talaga eh. And kahit papa-attend din yung HLT training, kung nandito si Bro George, very hesitant siya. Marami siyang questions, maraming conditions before. But the good thing is he said yes, and he's responding to the call, and inaalagaan niya yung household niya. So continue, bro. Continue to pray for you. Si Bro Bong, hindi pala magluto nito nung nag-camping, no? Hindi ko nagaling magluto, no? Bro Bong, yung dedication niyan, I remembered yung online rosary natin. Siya yung parating unang tao na nandun sa Zoom. Hindi mo maunahan yan, parating nandun yan. Okay, pag walang Zoom, naghahanap yan. Continue, bro, to serve. Gaya mo sinabi ko, no? Huwag gaano sa tao, madidisappoint ka sa tao, bro. No? Just keep the faith. Si Bro Hill, I think second time o third time ko palang nakita. First time nakita ko was during the CFCTWR.
Yes.
Diba? Kausap ka ni Bro Brandy, na-integrate ka nga daw sa Zoom. Pero hindi kami makagalaw kasi ayaw namin baka sabihin ng CFC na hihilay.
Ayaw na bitawan.
Oo, ayaw pang bitawan. So, hintay namin na mag-reorganize.
Hoping pa rin sila.
So, good to know na mayroon pang isang cat super lover, hindi lang lover. Yung 5 cats. Hindi kaya yun. And I'm pretty sure, bro, na the brothers will enjoy and grow as much as you enjoy and grow the brothers as well. Si Bro Edu. Bro Edu, nandun sa household namin before when we started, okay, Bro Cesar. Yeah, so Bro Edu is a dedicated servant, no? Alam niya yung kailangan gawin, and he's a leader, no? Kahit walang magsabi na household head siya, alam ng tao na household head siya kasi he has got yung presence, he has got yung way of making people follow. Announce ko na, no? So this afternoon, nagkausap na kami ni Bro Kiko, and mag-step down na ako, and Bro Edu will be taking over.
Hindi na true men of God eh.
Magugulat, iba na yung
Next chapter assembly bro, ganun na yun.
So, yun nga, no? Each person is unique, sabi natin kanina. So, iba yung ways ni Bro Edu, iba yung ways ko. But of course, no, yung intent natin is always the same. It's to lead everyone closer sa Panginoon and closer yung relationship with one another. So, pray for him, support him as much as we have prayed and supported him as well. And, kahit nasa Pilipinas, let's continue to update each other. Let's continue to pray for each other. Let's continue to wish everyone success. Good.
Narinig yung boses mo, bro.
Yeah. Yun lang mga kapatid. Maraming salamat pa rin.
I-pay ka lang bro sa group. Kung mag-change ka ng
Pag may
number
nagtanggal
mo.
sa akin sa group,